Buenos tardes, amigos. Chappy here. I'm in sunny Mexico. We got a great episode coming up. First up, we have Appies with Chappy by the lake. Check it out. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. As you can see, it's a little bit hot out. So I didn't feel like cooking, so I just picked up some spring rolls from the grocery store, and we're going to make a drink to go with it. I'm going to do a Kingston Palaka. So here goes. All right, a Kingston Palaka. It's a ½ ounce of lemon juice. It calls for a ½ teaspoon of hing powder. Hing powder is a spicy Chinese powder. I don't have any hing powder, but I have some Mexican lime chili powder. So we'll do that as a substitute. 1 ounce of drambuie. We'll do a little bit more than 1 ounce. And then 1 1/2 ounce of rum. And we're going free pouring today, so it's going to be a little bit more than 1 1/2 ounce. And then I have a maraschino cherry with an umbrella. And then my umbrella got a little soggy, but there's a maraschino cherry. That umbrella's destroyed. All right, so that's my Kingston Palaka. I'll try to fix the umbrella to go with my spring rolls that I bought at the grocery store because it's so damn hot out. And this is Mookie, and I'm Chappy. We're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki.